Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is how to send payment link on Revolut. So first thing what you will do here on the Revolut application, just simply tap on payments at the middle. And now once you are here, just simply go ahead and tap on the plus icon in the top right corner of the screen. And now from here down below, you should be able to see here, create a payment link. So tap on create a payment link. And from here, you will have two options. You can either create a payment link when sending money to a card, bank account, or Revolut account, or you can go for request money. So this is from a card or Revolut account. So pretty much it will be depending on you. So let's say I'm gonna go for request money. And after that, as you can see, we should be able to see here, share a link, and you should be able to send it into a various social media platform and send it to your friend. That's simply about it. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.